Hello and welcome. My name is Elliot, and today I'll show you how to customize the My Actions tab of the homepage. We'll start by opening the homepage. You can always access it from the File menu, but there are two other ways you can quickly access the homepage. At the top of the Quick Launch pane, there is a link to Home. You can also hold the Alt key and press Home. Once the homepage is open, you will see All Actions and My Actions. The All Actions tab includes access to all the features in the software. The My Actions tab, which we're going to look at today, allows you to customize its contents to fit your individual needs. By default, there will be a few icons in My Actions. However, not everyone uses the Tabs 3 and PracticeMaster software the same way. Maybe you only need to do billing or enter fees and costs. You might need to run specific reports daily or need access to certain utilities at the end of the month. It's easy to customize My Actions for your needs, and every user can have their own. First, let's get rid of the icons we don't need. To start customizing the window, click the Customize My Actions icon. The banner at the top shows that you're now in customization mode. Each of the actions have a small minus sign in the top right corner. Click on the minus sign to remove icons you don't need access to. For this video, let's remove the Client Information and Summary AR Report icons. Notice that the two default groups here have a different icon in the top right. Click the pencil icon to open the Edit Group window. From here, you can modify the group details or delete the group. Let's remove both groups. To add the other actions we use often, click the Add Actions button. In this list, you can search actions just like on the Quick Launch pane. You can type the name of any file, report, or utility in the software. For example, if we type Adjust, you can see that two of the utility programs that we use for billing, Adjust Flat Fee Clients and Payment Adjustment, both appear. Let's add both of those to the list. We also want to add functions for split billing. So let's search for Split and add the Perform Split Billing and Undo Split Billing options. You can add as many actions as you'd like. Click Finish to add these actions. Our additions are at the end of the actions, but they can easily be moved. Click and drag the Payment Adjustment icon, then move it to a new location. Drop it and the icons will adjust to the new action order. We can do the same thing with the split billing utilities. Finally, let's create a group for processes that we need to perform at the end of each month, so they're shown together but don't take up a lot of space on My Actions. Click the Add Group icon. First, give the group a name. We'll use Month End. Next, specify a description so that you can easily see what this group is used for. Finally, select a color for the group icon. Once you're satisfied, click Next. Now, just pick the actions you need to run each month, like integrity checks, statement processes, and reports. Once you've selected them all, click Finish. Now that we're done customizing, click Finish at the top right of My Actions. This takes us out of customization mode, and we can start using the actions we selected. Clicking any of the actions will launch that feature, while clicking a group will open that group to access the actions within it. Click the link at the top of the page to return to a higher group. As you use the software, you might come across other items you want to add in My Actions. Here are a couple ways you can add new things to this window. On the Quick Launch, right-click on any action, then select Add to My Actions. Similarly, on All Actions, hover the mouse over an action and a star will appear. Clicking the star will also add to My Actions. These options add the icon to the end of My Actions, but you can easily reposition it. To move it into a group, simply drag it on top of the group and release. And that's all there is to it. As you can see, customizing My Actions allows you to streamline your navigation. Everything you need is just a click away. Thanks for watching. See you next time.